Have you ever opened your eyes after a full night's sleep, only to feel like you've been hit by a truck? You're not alone. Many older adults sleep 7 to 9 hours and still wake up groggy, stiff, or low on energy, like sleep just didn't do its job. Today, we're going to talk about 7 hidden mistakes that might be silently ruining your rest, and easy fixes you can start using tonight. So grab a warm cup of tea, settle in, and let's get your energy back. Starting with what's really going wrong while you sleep. Mistake number 1, skipping your morning water. Let's start with your morning routine, because how you begin your day affects how rested you feel. Many people don't drink water first thing in the morning, but after 7 to 9 hours of sleep, your body is dehydrated. That dryness affects your brain, your joints, and even your mood. And here's the problem. When you skip water and go straight to coffee, you're adding a diuretic on top of dehydration. What to do instead? Before your coffee, drink a glass of lukewarm water, maybe with a squeeze of lemon or a pinch of salt for minerals. This wakes up your body the right way. Mistake number 2, poor magnesium levels. Next up, let's talk magnesium. This mineral plays a big role in how deeply you sleep and how well your muscles relax. As we age, many of us become deficient in magnesium without even knowing it. This leads to tossing and turning, night cramps, and feeling tired even after sleeping. What helps? Try adding foods like almonds, spinach, pumpkin seeds, or speak with your doctor about a gentle magnesium supplement before bed. It can work wonders in just a few days. Mistake number 3, late night blood sugar spikes. Ever had a midnight snack that was sweet or starchy? Cookies, crackers, cereal, even healthy fruit can spike your blood sugar right before bed. Then it crashes, waking your body up in the middle of the night, even if you don't notice. That's why many older adults wake up at 2 or 3 a.m., then struggle to fall back asleep. Try this instead. If you need a snack at night, go for protein and healthy fats, like a boiled egg or a spoon of almond butter. It helps keep blood sugar stable and sleep deeper. Mistake number 4, breathing issues at night. Do you snore or wake up with a dry mouth? It could be a sign of sleep apnea or poor airflow. And here's the kicker. Even mild sleep apnea can stop your brain from reaching deep, healing sleep. That means you technically sleep, but your brain feels unrested. What can help? Elevate your head slightly. Sleep on your side. And if you're concerned, ask your doctor about a sleep study. Many are done at home now. Mistake number 5, not getting sunlight in the morning. Your body runs on a natural clock, your circadian rhythm, and it's triggered by sunlight. When we stay inside too long in the morning, our body gets confused, and we feel tired, even after sleeping. Here's what helps. Step outside for just 10 minutes in the morning, even if it's cloudy. Natural light tells your brain it's morning and helps you fall asleep easier at night too. Mistake number 6, too much blue light at night phones, tablets, TVs. The blue light they give off tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime, blocking melatonin, your sleep hormone. So what's the fix? Try turning off screens 30 to 60 minutes before bed, or use night mode and dim your lights in the evening. You'll fall asleep faster and wake up feeling much more refreshed. Mistake number 7, our body is ready for sleep, but your mind isn't. Have you ever felt physically tired, but your brain just won't stop thinking? This mental noise is one of the biggest reasons people don't wake up refreshed. Simple solution? Build a calming bedtime routine. Try writing down 3 things you're grateful for, or doing 5 minutes of deep breathing. You're training your mind to let go, and that's when true rest happens. There you have it. 7 small changes that can help you wake up energized, clear-headed, and truly rested. Because you deserve better sleep and a better morning. If you found even one helpful tip today, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. For more simple, real-life health advice designed just for older adults, we've got plenty more peaceful, powerful strategies coming your way. Until next time, take care and sleep well.